Alright guys, so we finally made it out and we did not get stuck.
We should haul ass out of here.
What's up everybody? It's Thursday afternoon and I'm with my roommate Darren, aka The Works.
What's up?
And today's vlog isn't really going to be like anything specific. I'm just kind of just talking. Alright guys, so I'm finally done with PTI. Yesterday I actually went to the office because they were closed the day before. I went there to finish my PTI and to get my certificate or whatever, and they actually told me I had like 4 more minutes left that I had to do. And I was just thinking, I was like, are you serious? Like, I mean, am I not like good enough? You know, like 4 minutes out of 35 hours. But anyway, so I did those 4 minutes and I finished PTI, so I'm good to go. Boom, boom.
That's right.
But anyways, thank you guys for checking out his channel. He got like 14 subscribers or something, which is pretty good. You know, I didn't have 14 subscribers starting out. Anything you would like to tell them?
Shout out to all those that subscribe. Thanks a lot, means a lot. Don't forget, I've been the comments mean a lot to me. Thanks.
Hey guys, so yesterday, it was like fucking like tsunami type weather in this bitch. Like, it did not stop raining, I don't think, all day. And so it's like flooded as fuck, or it was flooded as fuck. And anyways, we're gonna go to this trail that I found like at the beginning of the year, and we're gonna drive through the dirt trail. And I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, the place. It's a pretty cool place, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, we call it the Oasis. But anyway, how do you cook Chick-fil-A? I just got a text. How do you cook Chick-fil-A?
I mean, you gotta work Chick-fil-A to cook Chick-fil-A, right?
Don't they cook it for you? What? I haven't been back here personally in a long time, so I'm kind of curious. What about you?
Yeah. I was gonna take my car, but I got a splitter, and I feel like, you know, messing that up.
Yeah. So hopefully we don't get stuck. I don't think we will, but we'll see. I mean, I guess you guys would probably like that if I got stuck. Hey guys, so this place is like out in the country, kinda. Country for Bluffton, South Carolina. And so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video and put you guys on the windshield so y'all can see, like, you know, what's going on. So yeah, I will see you guys in a minute. And Darren will see you guys also in a minute. You won't see us though, we'll see y'all. Alright guys, so we flipped you guys around and you guys are on the windshield. So we're gonna see how this works. Yeah, it's wet as shit.
But you have a super.
Yeah, it is super fucking wet right now. I forgot where the holes were.
Watch out for that lake right there.
Watch out for the lake.
Yeah.
That would be a good thing to watch out for. Straight through.
God damn.
Fucking, that was a big asshole. Is there any more big assholes?
That one right there. That's a big one.
I haven't been off-roading in these tires yet.
Bro.
Yeah. I went on the stock ones. The stock tires were actually pretty fucking good.
With the Dunlops?
Yeah.
They come with Dunlops, right?
Yeah, they were, well, I think so. I can't remember. They were summer tires though, but they're still fucking pretty decent for...
God damn.
Oh shit. Is that deep though, or is that...
I don't think it's really deep, to be honest.
I'm gonna take off my glasses. I can't see jack shit. What do you think?
I think you gotta get some speed.
I mean, is it deep? I don't fucking remember it being deep.
Oh shit. I think once you get right there to that grass right there, you straight. Get one wheel on it. There you go.
The Stubby. I haven't off-roaded with this clutch either yet. My exhaust is gonna hit the fucking ground.
Yep, there you go.
Don't believe me, just watch. The reason why I wanted to do this today is so I could get to the car wash, because I have not washed my car in literally like fucking at least over a month, maybe even 2 months. As bad as that sounds, guys, like I know Evan Shank, I think that's his last name. I know like he was talking about how he hates his car being dirty, and he lives in a place where like it snows and, you know, rains and all that shit like a lot. So that's kind of like, I don't know, that's like understandable that his would be dirty, but mine, I mean, it literally fucking rained like a tsunami last night. And I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but there's a fucking cemetery right there. I don't like the cemetery.
Zombie shit.
Walking Dead. Do you guys watch Walking Dead? Throw it down in the comments below. Also, some of y'all said y'all's favorite food, and this is Suzuki R123. You said yours was pizza? Yeah, dude, pizza's pretty fucking dank. Like I was telling you in the comments, I used to love, or I hated Pizza Hut before they changed their recipe, and now I like really like Pizza Hut. Did you ever eat Pizza Hut before they changed their recipe?
I thought that Pizza Hut been the same all the whole time, yeah.
No, they like changed like their crust and their like sauce and shit.
Yeah, that's a deep. Oh, I remember that one.
Yeah, that one's.
Were you with us when we was in the back of that truck?
Yeah, I fucking almost flew out of that bitch.
Yeah, me too.
Buck was laughing his ass off, dude. And I was like, yo.
Who was that, McCoy?
What? Yeah, I think it was his truck. That was honestly like, I didn't even know what just happened. I was like, what? Alright guys, so we made it through the bad part, I think. And look at this fucking pond, or like what, I don't even know what it's called. We call it the Oasis, but it's like blue as shit. Like there's obviously chemicals or something in there, but there's no reason that should be that blue.
Someone been back here recently.
Yeah. They might be back here now.
Yeah, that shit looks so fresh.
Oh.
There's someone doing donuts yet.
guys can see how it looks. It's like fucking so blue. Alright guys, so we are headed out of here now. Hopefully we don't get stuck. Oh fuck, I gotta put my shades on again. Somebody was out here doing donuts. You just take your Beamer out here.
That was a good idea, but I would have got stuck today. Okay, my head today.
Yeah, you would have gotten stuck.
Maybe when it dries up. Maybe next week. It's supposed to be like in the 70s all week next week.
Really?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not fucking raining though.
Yeah. I think it's supposed to high supposed to be 20%.
Yeah.
I wish I had the Honda, yo. The Honda locks up so fast.
Yeah. The BMW dude fucking sucks at that.
Yeah, I know.
Mine would
I try to do it all the time and wouldn't lock up.
Yeah, like you could like pull it like literally as hard as you could, and it might like chirp just a little bit, but it doesn't like stay locked up. It's not about that life. Alright guys, so we finally made it out and we did not get stuck.
We should haul ass out of here.